video demonstrating the Ford Lockpick for the MyTouch system, a 2013 F-150. Basically just showing you right now the front and rear camera while the vehicle is in motion, and also the ability to have the front camera come on automatically below a certain speed, which is set to about 7 miles an hour. So just driving along right now. If I want to put on the rear camera, I'll just hold the hang up button on the steering wheel for 3 seconds, and it turns the camera on. If you want to switch to the front camera, you just hit the voice button and it switches over to the front camera. Now if you want the front camera to come on automatically, you basically hold the voice button down for 8 seconds. You'll get a beep and then the screen will go back to the home screen. Right there, and I'm slowing down now thanks to Northern Virginia traffic. And once it gets below, come on, and then once it goes back over the speed, it will turn itself back off. I myself just prefer to turn it on manually, because with sitting in traffic a lot on my drives home, it gets quite annoying just to have the camera constantly coming on and off when I don't want it to. So to turn it off, you just basically hold down the voice button again for 8 seconds. You'll get a audible beep and it will shoot back to the main screen. And that's about it. Got any questions, just let me know.